Welcome to today's cooking show. We're gonna do a viral egg trend today. It's gonna be gas, trust me. Okay, so we're gonna grab a pan. And we're gonna put it right there, right? And so, hold on, let me turn this one like this, so you can actually see me. Yeah. Okay, so we got our pan. What this trend calls for is extra virgin olive oil, because if it's not virgin, it's unholy. You know. Don't mind that voice crack. It's kind of crazy, but you know, we're reaching. Okay, and then we just let the skillet pan sear that for just a little bit, and then we're gonna go into the fridge. And what I've learned about eggs is that you don't want to crack it on an edge of the surface, as you get eggshells in the yolk. You know, you want to like drop it on like a flat surface so it like breaks evenly. Alright, peep it. Peeping? Peep it. Okay. I kind of broke the yolk, but it's okay. We don't talk about that. Use this. Okay, so the egg is egging right now, as you can see. Hypothetically, if you could, okay, hypothetically speaking, if you could make a crime stop forever, but you'd have to commit that crime, what crime would it be? Hold up, I need to go fold my dishes and walk my fish. Oh no, the egg